your boy SRT Hall. I'm finna give y'all a quick car review of my SRT Hellcat chopper. Here we got a supercharged Hemi, 6.2 liter, 707 horsepower stock. But on here, on mine, I have a carbon fiber cold air intake lead maker. Now these carbon fiber ones make it look good with the design due to the fact that I got carbon fiber interior, so I went ahead and put carbon fiber too on the inside of the motor to match up the inside. We got the red Brembo brakes. We got the carbon fiber interior, all carbon, SRT on the steering wheel, Harman Kardon speakers. We got the sunroof, fully loaded. We got the blind spot sensor on each light, let you know if somebody's to the left, to the right side. In the back, we got the tweets on the left and right side, sound real good. Inside too, all leather interior. We got the SRT Hellcat sign on each seat. Let you know they call it beef. Pop the trunk, you try to see what I got in the trunk. Custom made Hellcat. I put the custom made Hellcat symbol on the car so that people can know what it is when I fly past. Got dual 12-inch Harman Kardon speakers, fully loaded. Now these things are loud, real loud. You want your car to sound good, make sure you get the double Harman Kardon. So you got the SRT on the vent cover. Now these cars are very fast, so make sure when you're driving, you know how to drive, because they will get away from you. You do not want to be in no car accident. Now a Ford, anything like that, is no competition to a Hellcat on my personal experience, because there's so much that you can do with Dodge nowadays that they actually equipped it to be faster than a regular car. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rev, show you what my exhaust sounds like.